No, what do you do? Good. Intro time. Hi, welcome back to Sofiyya Projects. And today's video, I will show you guys how to make talking paper like that, like this. Hi, welcome back to Sofiyya Projects. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this paper talking thing. Talking paper.
Talking paper.
You just put your fingers behind and then control it. Okay, so the materials you need is paper, scissors, pencil to decorate, an eraser to erase, and some pencil colors to decorate again. Now let's start. So first we need square paper. So Maya fold it like this, right at the corner of this. Okay, like to make a square paper. Okay, and then you need to cut the rectangular piece. Maya, can you do it, Maya? Yes. You sure? Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. Now when you're done, okay, find your piece, get your scissors, and then cut this rectangular part. So you can make a square. Can I do this? You can also rip it. Can I do it? Okay, so now when you've got your rectangular piece, your triangular piece, open it up and it will be a square like this. Now you don't need this part, so put it aside and then Maya open it. Maya open it. Up high. Okay, so now when you're done, okay, so now you have to fold it in half. Fold it in half. Like that. Make this. Make something like this. Okay, so now you do the other side. Fold it in half again. Yep, like that. Okay. Done. Okay, now you open it back up. Open it back up. And then take these corner parts, put them to the middle. Like that. Put them to the middle. And then do the same to all the other corners. My boy. It looks like an envelope, but it's not an envelope. And then you flip it. And then you see all these squares. Okay, so now take this part of the square, put it to the middle. Like the other part. Okay. Can you do it, Maya? Of course. Okay. Okay, so now squares. Like this. And you got your paper stocking thingy. But first you have to fold it in half like that. And then open it back up and then fold it in half. And then you open it and fold it the other way. And then you're done. You just have to decorate it. Decorate it using pencil. So you just basically put like okay, it's a bit hard to get in when you make a new one, but yeah, it's pretty cool though. Wait, is it even working? Okay, wait, yeah, like this. We're supposed to do this. Okay, so now I just talk, and then we have to decorate it. Masuk dari ni. Masuk. Ataupun masuk dua dari sini, masuk dua dari sini. Okay, now Maya talk. Okay, good. Now it's time to decorate it. So, just like the one that I did, the back might be a little weird, but in the front, when you talk, it looks like it's just normal. monster theme. I want to make like monster themes. Here, I'm gonna make it monster themed. But I'm gonna make an eye here, and then one big pupil. It's like a fish. So I have to draw the mouth. And then do some teeth. Monster themed. I just copy this one if you want to do it. So now I have to color. Oh my! I wanna make it monster themed. Get monster themed. Monster themed. Monster themed. Good. Oh my god. Okay, so now I just have to color it. But these kind of look like eyebrows, which are a little bit weird. I think I can do like spots on them, spots on him. So I could be more monster themed. What is this? Just copy it. Wait, doing it wrong. Just copy this. When you put it up, face it.
Corner here.
Okay, so now I just have to. Okay, what color should I choose for that? I think brownish color. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Okay, so now I'm gonna find this. Wait, I have an idea for the eyes. Wait, what's the other one? Make those eye things. What the? Okay, so I don't know. It looks weird. Really weird. Now, pag eyebrow. I'm not gonna put padang into. Buat ke bawah. Ikut ini. Mana tak tahu. Eyes. I don't know why. Okay, but wait. Let me see here. So monster themed one. Wait, I need to draw something else. Where's the pencil? Right there. And then one more right here. We have more space. I'm gonna make that again. Okay, so this one is the monster theme. I made yellow teeth. And this one is the normal one. I don't know. Okay, it has eyeshadow.
Maya?
Maya has the pink one, exactly like mine, but a bit different. I think that's it for today's video. I mean, we think it's it for today's video. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down below, follow me on Instagram, share, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye. Bye.